What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. Hope you're having a great day. It was a beautiful day today. The Hartford Yard Goats won. Let's go. They beat those pesky Senators from Harrisburg. We got the Blackstone going. We're gonna hit the Blackstone up with some. We're gonna make like a grilled cheese with turkey and some apples, maybe some honey mustard, all the awesome fixins there. So stay tuned. Easy sandwich for, you need something quick and easy, but fairly healthy-ish. Turkey. Let's go. All right, we're gonna add our apple. We're using Gala apples. They're the best for this. Over our grilled cheese here. We're gonna add one piece of tomato here. And we're gonna grab our turkey. And our honey mustard. We're gonna take off our grilled cheese first. Woo! Let's go. You know what? Let's cook our turkey a little bit. Get it nice and warm. Woo! Turkey down. While we do that, we'll add our honey mustard, Sweet Baby Ray's. Throw our turkey on. Go. It's looking pretty good. Pop down over here. Gonna add just a little bit of shredded lettuce on it as well. All right, we're gonna get these off, slice into them. All right, got a nice little crust on this. Pop it through. Look at that. That is looking good.